Hi you guys, this is Antoinette coming to you from Creations PS91. I'm coming to you guys because I got something in the mail. It is the Annie Hook and Needle Kit Club, and I wanted to share with you guys to see what I got. So let's open it up and check it out and see what it is. Here it is right here. Oh my word, you guys. Look. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. All right, let's open it up. Oh, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at the yarn, you guys. We have some purples, some army green, some beautiful red, even some like some lavender in here. How beautiful is that? I'm loving it. I'm loving it. All right. And this is it right here. This is the shawl that I am going to be making. And this is the pattern right here. And once again, it is skill level is easy. Knit level is easy. Very nice. I am so looking to make this, you guys. I will most definitely keep you guys in the loop of what I am making. I'm sorry, not what I'm making because I'm making this, but my progress of the shawl. Will most definitely keep you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my word. I can't wait. That is absolutely beautiful. My progress and working it up. To show you guys, because this is going to be beautiful in my journey in making it. Well, you guys, I just wanted to come on and share what I got in the mail, which I love to do, share with you guys. So this is it. I'm going to work it up, and I will see you guys soon. And you guys, remember, when you're working with your hands, you always have peace within your heart. I will see you guys later. Bye.